Guys, welcome again in a new video. In this video I will explain how to boot from Wim. Boot from Wim is a very big headache for almost people wanna boot from Wim, from Windows image. Okay, in this video I will expose the secrets behind why everyone cannot boot from Wim. Okay, let's boot now. Let's boot from ISO file. Okay, this ISO file, or for example, let's take the chance now to boot from Wim, because I already prepared for that before. See, this is Windows, okay, VHD Windows, but the other one is this 523 and 569, all of this Wim. Okay, that's why I put the name of the Windows image like this to be clear for me to boot from. Okay, this is for example boot ICE USA. I shared this videos before for how to make ISO for Ghost USA, boot ICE, bootable ISO, and all of this ISO. But now this boot is from Wim. You know, this is beside the Windows boot, the Windows default boot menu. I added all of this Wim, so the boot from Wim can be added from this Windows boot menu. Okay, this is the default boot menu, but I modified that by boot ICE and I added all of these Wims. Okay. Now I want to boot from this 596, for example. Take any Wim, for example take this one. Okay, now press enter. See, this is the message always coming like this. Okay, when I press enter many times, nothing. Okay, because this screen is blue because this Wim is Windows 10 image. Okay, this is Windows image for Windows 10 because this is Windows Live Wim. Okay, but the other one is, I'll show you. The other one is, for example, this boot ICE. This boot on GMHX. This is for Windows Vista. That's why the screen will be different. See, when I press enter, see, this is black screen. Okay, this is a common screen coming because Windows 7. This is related to Windows 7. If you boot from Windows Vista, from Windows 7, it will be like this. But if you boot from Windows 8, all of these boots will come like this. So if the Windows image is for Windows 10, so the screen will be blue like this. Okay, so I cannot boot. That's why I created this video to tell you the final solution for that. Okay, now let's boot from Wim, from ISO. For example, this is my CD, my repairing and maintenance CD. Okay, let's boot from it now. Okay, I'll pause this video to avoid wasting time, then I'll resume later. Now let's resume this video. I'll complete. This is my CD used for maintenance and repairing computer. Okay, so now what can we do now? We will go to this. I told you in the starting of this video. Okay, I told you search for boot.sdi. Let's search for this file, boot to SDI. Okay, this file will come. No problem. Any of them it can work, no problem. But under system 32 is very good. Okay. Yes, this one, this boot from this boot SDI. Just to copy this file, copy. Okay, and go there inside the partition, the boot partition. Boot partition for me is this partition, boot. Let's go to boot folder. You will do the same for your Windows partition C. You will go to your Windows partition C. For example, for Windows 7, you will go to boot, then you will paste this one. But in this time, I will paste it also in the same location, the main location for the boot partition. The boot partition for me is this 174. I will go to inside boot folder, and then I'll paste this boot SDI. This is my actual boot folder. Okay, this is the original boot partition. Okay, that's why I put boot SDI. I take it from under Windows system 32. I take the boot SDI, then I put it inside the boot folder in the root partition. I paste it here. That now boot from Wim will work perfectly. Let's restart now. Let's restart. Okay, I'll pause this video until restart. Okay, started like this. Let's go to the menu for Windows 10, boot menu. Okay, now let's start any Wim. Let's choose any Wim. Okay, for example, let's start this boot ICE USA. Boot ICE USA. Then enter. Okay, after finish, I'll resume. Okay, now now started. Okay, this CD started now. This is for boot ICE. So the boot Wim is working perfectly. Let's restart again from another Wim. Okay, let's get started now from another Wim. Okay, let's go inside this Windows. So I'll go to another Wim for my repairing CD. This Windows Live CD, this one 569. The Wim now is for Windows 10 because the Windows Live is Windows 10. That's why the logo come with Windows 10 logo. Okay, because the Windows image is for Windows 10, so the logo will be for Windows 10. Okay, let's resume later. Now Windows Live started successfully. Boot from Wim. Now I'm booting from Wim. See? Now boot from Wim. But it's now working and everything is okay now. Okay? This is the solution for that. But when you boot from Wim, just try to concentrate what's in the corner of the screen. It will say this message will come because this Windows test mode. This is a test mode for Windows. If you boot from Wim, you will get this message. This is the test mode for Windows 10 Enterprise. This is the version of the Windows, my Windows Live version, and you will see this test mode. This is the main points inside this video. You will see if you boot from Wim, you will get the test mode. Inside this test mode is many benefits for any program. If you use a portable program, you will find it working as a full version. All working is as a full version. So this is the first. The first is until this is the test mode. So test mode is very good environment to run any program. Even if it's a trial version, it will work here as a full version. This is the main point for boot from Wim. So boot ICE USA working, no problem. Okay. Let's boot again from any other Wim. Let's boot from the other Wim now. Let's go there. And so I'll get this Ghost USA. Ghost USA. Let's start it. When finished, I'll tell you. Now started. This is boot from Wim. Now working successfully and very good. So this is for you. Now you know the secret for okay, why failed many times for you. So this is the final solution for boot from Wim. Okay, now thanks for watching and goodbye.